We're here today at one of actually my favorite transformations that we've done to date. We're at the Bittersweet project here in Peters Township, and this whole first floor looks totally different than it did a few months ago. We revamped the layout, we took down a staircase, we took down a few walls, we moved the dining room into a better location. So right now it is just perfect for how the family lives, and it's really pretty as usual. So let's go through what we did. The first thing that was really important is to change how the family entered into the space. So there used to be just a door into the eating area, which isn't really great because they've got two little boys who are very dirty. They play baseball, and she wanted all their junk to be in a mudroom. The space that we reconfigured was already a laundry room, but we just kind of moved things around so that it functioned better as a laundry room and also as a mudroom at the same time. So space saving, looks pretty, check, check. The next space we worked on was this kitchen. Look how pretty it is, guys. We took down the wall between the kitchen and the old dining room, and we moved the dining room into the front formal living room that nobody used. So now they have a bigger dining room, and this kitchen just got massive. You may have noticed this in some of our other projects, but we kept the window in the old dining room, and it was too low to run a counter, so we actually created a beautiful and functional banquette for the kids to sit and relax. We've got tons of cabinetry that are maple painted. We've got a beautiful stained island, and then we've got gorgeous quartz countertops everywhere. If you want to see what other color combos we've done with cabinetry, be sure to check out our other videos. If you like anything that we've done, be sure to click like, subscribe, follow us along, and as always, please leave a comment. We'd love to hear from you. We added a humongous window because they've got a really beautiful backyard, so we wanted to expand the view so they could watch their boys playing outside. And it brings in tons of natural light. So the window is a big game changer. They've still got an eat-in area, and then they've got this island with seating, so they can fit a whole bunch of people here. One thing I get asked a lot from clients is, where do we spend and where do we save? So for example, in this kitchen, it was really important for the homeowners to have really great appliances. So they splurged on the appliances, but then they were able to save on the cabinet hardware. Another area where they really thought it was important to spend money is on quartz countertops. So we went all out on the quartz countertops, but we saved with the lighting fixtures. So it's really a game of like high, low. Splurge where it's really important, save where it's not as a high priority to you guys, and every family is different. So every project has a unique way of like making it work. So the next space that we worked on was the living room, which just flows right into the kitchen. So we had to address that space as well. So there used to be a back staircase. If you guys remember, there was the staircase into the living room that was just taking up so much square footage and not really getting used. So we took out that staircase completely, and it allowed for so much more seating arrangements, and they could put their sofas in different places, and it really changed how they could use that living room. One of the things we brought up to the homeowner is that the family room had this really pretty fireplace, but the mantle was super high. So the previous owner had to put the TV in a different spot because it was like so high they couldn't put the TV over the mantle. So we worked with the homeowner to find like the perfect height, what size TV they were getting, and we moved the mantle down so that they could mount their TV over there, and now it's perfect. Since we were pretty much touching every square foot on this first floor, we had to address the powder bath, which is right off the foyer. So we changed everything in there. The flooring ran throughout. We added a new vanity, a fun mirror. It's really easy. Those are little changes that actually make a really big difference. This project is really beautiful, but I actually have three top favorite things. Number one is the wallpaper on the wall opposite of the cabinetry. It's so subtle. It looks like paint until you look closely and notice there's like this beautiful pattern to it, but I love it. It's just a really nice texture and a feature in the kitchen. Number two, these countertops. The quartz is just gorgeous. It's really durable. It brightens up the whole space, and it's really pretty. Third favorite thing of this whole project is the floors. I love the wide plank. It's an engineered hardwood. It is really durable. I love the tone of it. It goes with everything. Be sure to check out the videos that we did of the before so you can fully appreciate what it looks like now.